So check out this really nice and quality set of cutting boards made from bamboo, and just really a pleasure to look at, and it feels really smooth. There are 3 here at different sizes, and they are all very strong, very sturdy, perfect for cutting or chopping, even with a sharp knife. And because it's made of bamboo, the wood is gentle and smooth. It won't dull your blades over time. I also love the design of the liquid catcher. So if you're cutting meat or something like that, the juices won't fall off and onto the ground. It'll catch this on right here, and you can pour it back onto it if you need to. It's important to note that this is not dishwasher safe, so make sure you just clean this by hand. It's a beautiful set from Royal Craftwood and just looks great in your kitchen. It's very useful, so I highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.